how to remove Microsoft Authenticator account just on your PC or on your device. For this, I will simply go on the Microsoft official website here just on my browser and look out for it. Here you have to click on official website of Microsoft, and then you have to just click on the sign in button of your account on the right top. Click on sign in, and here you have to enter the code sent to your Gmail ID. It's like OTP, and after you verify it, you will get your account signed into your account, Microsoft account right now. Here you will see a lot of options, but what you have to do is simply, let me just click on my account on right top, click on my Microsoft account. It will redirect me to the direct Microsoft account management setting on my PC, and from this I will simply disable the setting authenticator from it. Let me verify my account, remind me later. Then here, this is home page on my Microsoft account setting. Click on the fourth option on the left, that is security setting, and simply scroll to the down to get authenticator setting. Now view sign in option or sign in activity on your account. There you can see my logged in accounts. I am signed in successfully to my account in my 3 devices here. Scroll down, click on the data setting. Then you have to click on devices. So this is how you can edit your authenticator setting, or how can you remove authenticator on your device. Thank you so much for watching the video.